manufacturer of commercial windshield wiper systems. You would see our products on such applications like buses, trains, construction equipment, farm equipment, pretty much anything except automobiles or aircraft. About 85% of our business is domestic, but we, about 3 or 4 years ago, made a big push into Latin America. We have a significant number of customers in the bus industry down there. Public transportation is much greater down there than here in the States. But we've also expanded our market into Australia, over into Asia, some in Europe, and so we're always looking for opportunities outside the United States. I think, like most businesses, the last couple of years we had done some extensive downsizing. What we were finding was in our manufacturing department, we were short people, essentially, and we had folks doubling up on responsibilities, stretched very thin. When we became aware of the training program, we essentially jumped at it. We thought it was a great chance to begin expanding the manufacturing department. And over the period of about 3 months, we went from 3 people to 6. We effectively doubled the employment in that department. What has happened as a result, I believe, of that training they have received and that adequate level of training is bottom line cost improvements. By having these people able to be specialists in their work cell, they have come up with better methods to produce the product, to do them more effectively, more efficiently, and overall reduces the labor component in the product and thereby the cost overall of the product. So I can definitely associate the training funds with product cost reduction. It was very good working with job growers. I think they did an excellent job communicating the program itself, what was required, what the funds were, and how the program would progress. We also, I was impressed with the timeliness. As soon as we hired someone and made them aware of, I mean, boom, within hours in some cases, you know, they would communicate back with us. They would get with the new employee and have the paperwork finalized, and it just was a nice experience. I recognize this program is not only for small businesses, but I think, again, we look for any opportunities that are available to be able to further our business, and that might have to do with low-interest loans that are out there, some grant programs that are out there. Any type of help, I think, that can be provided to the small business is going to pay dividends. And truly, as we sit here today, we have 3 people that we have employed that have impacted the economy, not a great amount, I realize, but with those training funds, I think without the training funds, there's no question we would have still had the same level of employment.